It's Antonella again. Today we're talking about affiliate marketing in 2020, avoiding the pitfalls along the way to building your successful online business. So I want to make sure that when we're done with all of this, everyone understands that affiliate marketing is not a dirty word, and how much you earn is completely up to you. There are no scapegoats here. You take responsibility for all of your actions. The affiliate marketplace. This is the place where most people will go to. It's the quickest and easiest place to join an affiliate program. They have lots of tools, and they are a great way to get started in affiliate marketing. Best thing is they're free to join. You go to their websites and sign up. There are a ton of them. They are all performance-based. What that means is you search the marketplace and you find a product that you want to promote. You only get paid when someone buys that product using your affiliate link. Success is an indication of the amount of effort and investment that you've made, but your ability to drive traffic to your affiliate links is the key to you succeeding. Give me a minute and we'll go into a little bit more, some things you need for your success. Right now, I just want to take a moment and say, this piece of affiliate marketing, the driving the traffic and people buying and being performance-based, this is the reason why you see on all of those websites. And it's not just affiliate marketing, it's any business out there. There is no one who can guarantee that you will be successful. They can give you tools, they can provide a lot of information for you, but no one can guarantee your success. Results are not typical. Some people can do things better than others. There are a lot of factors that come into it. Again, affiliate marketing is not unique in this way, but it does get a bad rap. Sometimes that's why people give it a bad rap. Keep in mind, and this is something before we jump into and take a look at some of these marketplaces, hard work is not a guarantee of your ultimate income and success. And that's kind of a hard pill to swallow. And that's a truth that some people really don't want to understand. So I'm going to pop on over and show you Clickbank. Clickbank is the largest affiliate marketing. It's been around the longest. It's been around about 20 years. You can join it as an affiliate. You just click the sign up button, but you can be an affiliate. An affiliate is a person who promotes a product, or you can be a seller. If you actually have a product or a course or some type of a service that you're selling, you can be a seller and market it on the marketplace. Clickbank is really nice that way. They offer a lot of tools for sellers as well. So after you get that, login and you log into Clickbank, they have a really nice way of categorizing things. I'm going to take a jump into health and fitness. The health and fitness market is a really large market. A lot of people make a ton of money here. There are billions of people. This market will never be oversaturated because every day there's someone looking for something different, and not everyone is looking for the same thing. Couple of things you want to keep in mind. You want to look at what the commission is, the average commission, because you want to make sure it's a product that will earn you money. More important than that commission is there is an indicator here called a gravity indicator that tells you how many sales there were. A lot of people have a lot of different ways of approaching it. I usually look at things that are at least a 25 or higher in the gravity. The first person that taught me about Clickbank, that's what they suggested that I do. They said, you may not want to look at things that are under that. So it's something that's stuck with me, and it's something that I've done. You can really use it to drive a lot of things. The great thing about these marketplaces is that whichever program you decide to promote, they will have their own sales channels and the high converting landing pages. So you sending them leads, they've done all the hard work and they've spent the thousands of dollars necessary to figure out what's working and what's not. So that's a huge advantage, and one of the reasons why you join affiliate networks is you don't have a product that you're selling and they've done all of the research, all of the investment, and now you're promoting it. I just want to take a look at Share Sale. It's another affiliate program. It's very similar. You'd sign up. This one here has a little bit of a it tells you a little bit about, what affiliate marketing is, but you can sign up And just like the others, this one here is a little bit more consumer based. So I find that there is a lot more things that tie back to things that I myself would use for my home and those types of products. I have found some things related to technology related things, but this one here definitely tends to have a little bit more of a consumer based look. I'm not going to go through all of these. There are a ton. These are just a few. Amazon affiliates, think about it. If you sign up to be an Amazon affiliate, it's not a huge amount of money that you make in their program. However, we use Amazon for so many things, especially with what is going on today. So maybe you send out a wish list, and your wish list is, with your affiliate link. And maybe you can earn a little bit of extra income even while people are buying things that you need on your wish list. Warrior Plus, your JV Zoo, Kartra. There are so many out there. Is affiliate marketing for you? So we've already talked about you need to treat affiliate marketing, like a business, because it is a business. You really need to have time to invest just like you would in any business. You need to get into the details. You need to understand what's working, what's not. So this isn't something that you just throw up there and it's, happy go lucky and rainbows and sunny days. So, I strongly recommend that you have some money to invest. There are some really great programs out there. And especially if money is an issue for you, you have to be willing to get your hands dirty. And by getting your hands dirty, what do I mean? By getting your hands dirty, I mean you are out there figuring out how to set up your ads and, learning those marketing techniques, creating those emails. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you have to, sorry about that, you have to know how to drive traffic. The biggest factor for your success is going to be traffic and marketing. They go hand in hand. Tomorrow, we're going to spend a lot more time on one aspect of this. I'm going to introduce you to my friend Paul. He has an awesome YouTube program where his program helps you rank #1 on Google for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to notify yourself of future updates. I hope you have an awesome day. Talk to you soon.